How to see download history on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Google Play Store app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Navigate to profile icon at top right. Now from this menu, select Manage Apps and Device. Now you reach on this Manage Apps and Device section. Tap Manage option next to Overview. And now here you see this device, that is the install application. Tap on update available and the updates available for this particular application. When you swipe, you can see all the games application and archive application. So in this way, you can successfully find out all your download history on Google Play Store. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.